posts are going to rot. Well, at least that's what countless viewers have said in the comments on my video when I showed how I installed all of my fence posts. They say this because I put concrete in the ground, but I left a good 2 to 4 inches of dirt on top of the concrete to get a little bit of a natural look at the base of the post. Well, that can cause wood rot. So I went in search of a solution that anyone can use if you already have your posts in place, whether it's for a fence, a mailbox, anything that you put in the ground in your yard that can help you avoid that wood rot. And there's one tried and true solution that I bet you didn't even know existed. The solution is called postpreservative. Now this borrows the exact same approach that utility companies have used for years for those large utility poles that hold your electrical and communication lines in place. Well, they don't put all of those in concrete, and to stop those posts from rotting, they use a copper boron formula in a rod that they insert in the base of the post. Well, postpreservative does that exact same thing, and you can use it in your fence posts, your mailbox posts, really any wood that you're going to be inserting into the ground. Now this copper and boron formula is formulated so that it can prevent against insect issues and rot within the woods. So if you have treated posts that you've put in the ground, you can use this to stop the rot. But how does it work? The process starts by digging close to the base of your post. You want to get this rod inserted as close to ground level as humanly possible. Once you have the dirt removed, you will take a 3/8 inch drill bit in your drill and drill at a 45-degree angle into your post. Now, if you are doing it for 4x4 posts like I am, you want to take special precaution not to drill through the other side of the post. The hole that you're making is going to be about 3 3/4 inches deep. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you're not using a 4x4 post, let's say you have a 4x6 or larger post, there is a chart in the instructions that tells you how many of these copper boron rods you need to insert into that post in order to get the protection throughout the entire width of that post. But once you have your hole drilled at 45 degrees for that 3 3/4 inches, remove all of the debris from the edge of that post and then insert your copper boron rod. Now to hold this in place, there is an orange plug that comes within the post-preservative kit. It is threaded kind of slightly so that you can screw it into the post on top of that rod, and I'm just using a flathead screwdriver here. You can use whatever size bit will work for you, and if you have the triangular bit, go for it. But screw that down into the top of the hole, and that's going to hold that rod in place. Now the key for this is it will last 10 years per the instructions that come with the product. Now you can mark your posts with a little metal indicator that they give you, or you can just write it down in your calendar and make sure that 10 years from now you replace those rods, and that's the key. So you can just remove that plug, put another rod in place, and another 10 years you should be in good shape. For me, I'm putting mine on the exterior of my fence because our chickens free range inside this fence, and I don't want to take the risk of them plucking that plug out and going after that boron rod. But you can put it on whatever side of your post works best for you. But if you're still trying to figure out how to insert these darn posts in the ground in the first place, click or tap on this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.